You know, a lot of people said I was crazy when I talked about bringing on an NFL tackler to the Southern High School administration and staff. They had some valid points. Liability, safety. How are the students going to respond to a new person in their environment? But I think Tony the Train quickly made himself at home here at Southern. I can see it when we walk down the hall together. Students respect him. They look at him in the eye and they say, I like that guy. I don't want to get hit by him, but I like that guy.
I see myself as a caretaker, because I take care of the school. When kids disrespect machines or disrespect the school in ways they shouldn't, and the mamas hadn't taught them right, I have to pop them fool. You know what I mean? I just pop them. You like being treated like trash? Respect school property. Choo choo.
Tony the Train has had an impact on this school unlike anything I have ever seen. I've seen schools implement policies where they use demerits and timeout and dunce caps. That's foolishness. What you need is a tackler. His tackles are filled with fury, and yet they are corrective tackles. They are powerful hugs, if you will. It's really a beautiful thing to watch him work.
I could have seen myself doing something else than Tony the Train, linebacker. I used to, as a child, want to be a veterinarian. Because I love horses, you know? Why do you guys shoot the horse? You just brush it gently through its silk hair. Just so gently and smooth. I can't think of anything else that gives me more pleasure than disciplining a kid. I love to catch a kid off guard. And when they're least expecting it, sneak up from the corner, BAM!
Since we've brought Tony the Train on board, test scores have gone up. Cohesion in the body. Students are friends with each other. We are seeing things at this school that we have never seen. There is focus at our school now. He has really helped to unite this school.
Somebody had the nerve to ask me if I love my job. I love kids. Do I love my job? Heck yes, I love my job.
As you can very well see, Tony the Train's methods have proven themselves at this school. He is an effective disciplinarian. We have really benefited from his presence at this school, and I want to be the first to say, I appreciate you, Tony the Train, and so do all of us here at Southern High School. Thank you for what you've done.
I hate this interview. Who got this guy to come in here and film this bull crap? Stupid idiot. Freak, man. Just get out. I'll do it by myself. Gosh, I hate what?
And they are left to reckon with this.